here at Fuel Fest. We're sitting up in the stands and we're watching some drifting. I don't know if you guys can really see, but might go take a closer look right now. This is one of my favorite cars so far. Oh no! It's a little odd, but it low-key matches. These cars have APR wings on them.
Oh yeah.
It's a nice Porsche. Carbon. This Supra's really nice. Holy.
Blacked out.
Yeah, this is nice. Has some nice curves to it. Wow. That's fucking sick. Got the Pagani as well. Closer look. Front lip, lights.
Are you on here?
Liberty Walk. Running the slicks. Weld wheels, it looks like. Yeah, sick. We got an 8.6. The same taillights as well. That's nice. kicks. More inspiration here. I think I've actually seen this on Instagram. It's clean. One of the drift cars. Looks like they might have crashed because you can't get that door to close. Volkswagen hatchback with the turbo. I don't know if you guys can see it. Got our nice Mercedes here. Single exit. So nice in person. Got a turbo in there, somewhere in there. Just walking down, there's a lot of cars parked here on both sides. never seen that before, but it's pretty cool. It's pretty small. I'm gonna head back and go to the other side. Carbon hood. Pull your tires. With the quad kick. Subaru. Last year, but this time there's a little fence. This is your favorite, right?
Yeah.
Got the Supra back there. Go to the other side right now to take a look. Volkswagen GTR. Such an iconic car, along with the Skyline. I think I like this more though, to be honest.
You're aware right here. You get this? Thank you. She's a winner.
That's a nice Beamer. It's like blacked out with chrome wheels. These guys are about to try this.
It's the same thing. If you squat, it's not nice and straight, you will stand up. Squat back straight and stand up. Back straight.
All my model.
Thanks, bro. It's a harmless one.
Damn.
I appreciate you. Thank you.
Damn. Which one should I get?
This one, this one. It matches your car, right? It does, no?
It would actually.
Exactly.
Should I get it, guys?
Infinity, into Toyota. My Toyota. I'm gonna get you this one. Oh shit. Wait, these are actually funny.
20 likes on the video and I'll get this.
That's actually funny.
These are troll.
They are.
This is the OG. This is where my car came from. This is what started it all. The Hachiroku. Panda. 50-50 weight distribution.
He's about to punch the bag. Let's see his score. There we go. That's a good one. Okay. That sounds like a good one. Yeah.
A little better.
771.
One more. You got
Sorry.
one more. It's okay.
Yeah, it is. Oh, mess up my wrist.
Let's see how high she can get. I think that was good. Another nice 8.6. It reminds me of Brian's car. Has some carbon side vents. It's nice.
Tyrese and Cody Walker. He's about to try the weights.
Easy one. 3 times 3. 1, 2.
Hitting the gym.
There it is. Someone came over and did 56. I ain't doing that. I'm
Take a step back. Take a step back.
Thank you guys. Just remember to use your back, not your legs. Oh, yeah. That's all right.
Yeah, baby. Yeah.
Cody, can I take a picture with you?
Yeah, just a sec. Yeah, you want a shirt?
No way.
We gotta use some money.
Back up.
Just stay in front of everybody. I gotta go. Excuse me.
Hold on, where's Cody?
I'm right here.
Good. Stand.
Back up. If you guys please back up.
That's dope.
Thank you guys.
No way.
Hey Tyrese, you a real one.
Thank y'all for your movies.
Sitting down right now and we're watching them drift.
Hardcore was the first to set it off. Foot down, put my foot down. Hardcore was the first to set it off. Foot down, I put my foot down.